Hey guys, it's Sonali. Welcome to another session of Full STEM Ahead. In today's video, we're going to explain what pi means. Pi is a number that is roughly expressed as 3.1415. In more complicated words, pi is the ratio of the circumference, which is the perimeter of any size circle, to its diameter. Let's say there's an x right in the center of the circle. If you were to put a line through it, that would be your diameter. If your diameter had a distance of 1, then the distance all the way around the edge of the circle will be pi. The perimeter is also expressed as the circumference. So if your diameter was 1, once again your circumference would be pi. This applies also when your circle's diameter is 2. Its circumference is 2 times pi. Another way to calculate pi is by using a radius. The radius is half of the diameter. So if your x went all the way to the edge, that would be your radius. If your radius had a length of 1, then the distance halfway around the edge of the circle will be pi. Using mathematical equations, calculations for pi could be the circumference divided by the diameter. Pi is equal to 3.1415926538, and there are many numbers that follow that. Pi is used in many calculations, including finding the circumference and area of a circle. The calculation for the circumference is equal to 2 pi r, which is 2 pi times the radius. The equation for a circle area is pi r squared. So that's pi times the radius to the power of 2. Interesting facts about pi. Pi is an irrational number because it simply goes on forever. It can't be written as a fraction. Though 22/7 is close, it is not exact. The digits of pi go on for a long time in a seemingly random sequence. The first 10 decimal points are 3.1415926538. In 2002, a Japanese scientist found 1.24 trillion, which is a million digits of pi, using a powerful computer. But he still couldn't reach the end. Chao Lu of China can recite pi from memory to the 67,890 digits. He holds the Guinness World Record for pi knowledge. In the Greek alphabet, pi is the 16th letter. In the English alphabet, pi is also the 16th letter. Mathematicians began using the word pi for this ratio in the early 1700s. The name pi was given to this number because p is short for perimeter. The first 144 digits of pi add up to 666, which many scholars say is the mark of the beast. Scary, eh? Pi Day is celebrated on March 14th, which was chosen because it resembles 3.14. Albert Einstein was born on a Pi Day. Isn't that a coincidence? One last thing. If you write 3.14 on a piece of paper and hold it up to a mirror, guess what? It looks like the word pi. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Can't wait to see you next week. That was bad.